Hey, what's up, guys? Again, Sachin here. Happy to see you after a long gap. And so, in the past videos, I've talked a little bit about abstractions in electrical and electronics. So, one such idea that has been built from this abstraction is the computer. So, let's build one from scratch. Again, that is going to be a series of videos in which we'll be discussing about various basic concepts and ideas of different modules that's been get together to become a one single computer concept and things like that. So things like this is like a foundation of computer system design or whatever you can call it as that. It is that thing. So the point is that we are not going to we're not going to fabricate any chips or anything like that, or we're not going to assemble any hardware, real physical hardware stuff or anything like that. So all that we are going to do is we are going to write a VHDL code, like it's a virtual hardware description language. Then we are going to build chips with those VHDL codes, and we are going to do a simulation on hardware simulator that gets tested, and all things are over there, like in that simulator. Okay, through these videos, the following topics are get illustrated with a very clear purpose. So the topics such as hardware, it starts from logic gates to chips level simulations and testing. So the next is architecture, computer architecture, or starting from building arithmetic logic unit or like a CPU and assembly languages, memory map, input, output, etc. So the next one is an operating system, programming language, compilers, all these topics too, like including some of data structures and algorithms, and finally about some software engineering too. So the point out there is we're going to see a variety of hardware hierarchical thing and also software hierarchical thing. That's going to be a many modules out there. So I mean, it's like each modules have different projects in that. So each project compiles to be like a single module. So those are get together to form a whole system. So out of which the first five modules are going to be the construction of hardware platform of a simple modern computer, and often it's going to be the basic stuff. So again, also like we are going to do some codes like things. So the next other seven modules are going to be the software, and that's been built on top of hardware platform. If you're looking at the picture over there, like you can see, like it starts from Boolean logic, then it comprises of Boolean arithmetic, sequential logic, arithmetic logic unit, memory elements like RAM, ROM, and stuff like that. Then it's covering like a computer architecture up to which it's an hardware platform. So over then, like it's consists of a machine language, assembler, so virtual machine, compiler, operating system, and many other high-level languages of applications too. So these things comprises of the software hierarchical platform. So this is about this. So in each of the modules out there, we are going to see that first we'll be discussing the background. So that's about describing the relevant concepts of the generic hardware or software system. It depends on what kind of platform that we are seeing. So next we'll be seeing the specification of that particular module. So which will provide a clear statement of systems of abstractions. And so the next section that will be out there is it's how this is getting implemented, and describing the implementation of that, the implementation section. So next comes the perspective section that ends, and now we have the project section. Perspective section will be speaking about how this is harder, like how this is going to be happen and all those. It's kind of challenge to that implementation part. So the final part is going to be the project section. That's about building the system, which is be described in each modules. So that's going to be a 12 projects or module, whatever you call it as, like out of which 4 are going to be the hardware platform. This is going to be built in simple hardware description language. So other 5 projects, namely assembler, the virtual machine, for that virtual machine 1, 2 and stuff, and 2 both of them, and compiler is 1, 2, again other 2 parts out there for compiler, which are written in modern programming language, and the remaining 3 are written in 3 projects out there are going to be written in assembly language and high level language. So if you look at this picture over there, it starts with gives an overview of abstraction of different concepts out there we are going to build on. So the first thing is it starts from physics to electrical engineering. Like it's going to be like starting with chips and logic gates, and so the hardware platform is there. So machine language, which under comes with computer architecture. Then we'll move on to assembly languages, virtual machines, and high level languages and applications. It's like if you look at this whole thing. The point is it starts with the digital logic or digital electronics. So it's more into micro architecture. Then it's more into operating systems part, like it's more into compiler, and on the top of that whole system, there's an application and any kind of program or applications, whatever it may be. So this is about this whole series of videos that I'm just going to make in order to explain or in order to build a computer from scratch level, from logic gates to whatever, like a game or like it's going to be like application which is going to be run on that platform of the computer that we are going to just build. So this is an intro video for that. And this series of videos is inspired from a course called Learn to Tetris, which is offered Coursera. Like you can find that course, or even an NPTEL platform. You could find a course on that thing. So all these videos got inspired with that idea, and that it's going to be on that basis. Also, I could give you a link for the book, for the reference book, or like it's the whole book that is there over for this thing. So that is an elements of computer system design, or it's the name of the book is that. You can find it on find free PDF on Google, or like if you want, you can even buy the books from Amazon or like anything. I will leave the link in the description for that book. If you want, just buy it. It will be surely be useful stuff for you guys in order to continue this building of computer from scratch. And you're going to understand a lot about this. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this. Thank you. Bye. Bye.